In previous lecture, we discussed about scheduling. Uh, the scheduling defines it means here we are giving the detailed information about that work, that is the operation time and process time, setup time. Those are all includes. It is a process of arranging a production line for manufacturing the products on effectively completed with by using the machines and optimum utilization of resources, that is called the scheduling. Now today class we are going to discuss about loading, and also we are going to discuss about scheduling versus loading. Before we are going to discuss about scheduling versus loading, first we learn about loading. The simply the loading means here it may be defined as the process of assigning an amount of work to different processing centers. For example, if we have one job, we are going to perform this job by using some missions, and before we are processing that job, first we are assigning the job to the mission. It means we load the job to that mission. Sometimes we assign the job to the labor or workers. That is also called as the loading. Okay, here simple term it is called as the assigning the jobs to that mission centers or work centers. Okay, in other words, it is also called as it is a process of determining which job must be assigned to which work center. Okay, అలాగే మనకి ఇప్పుడు మనం షెడ్యూలింగ్ లో వీఆర్ ఫేసింగ్ సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. దోస్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ సపోజ్ వీ హ్యావ్ one mission and we have different jobs. At the time we are assigning the job to that mission is very difficult uh, in the scheduling. So with help of loading, simply we are avoiding the difficulty, we are avoiding the task. How means we are considering the process time of the job sometimes, and also we are considering the quantity of the job. For example, if job 1 having more quantity compared to job 2, at the same time job 1 is having less process times compared to job 2, means simply we are going to assign this job 1 to that mission. Okay, this is the loading, this is about loading. Next coming to that example, here we taken one example. For that example, we are considering the manufacturing time. The total completion of the process is required 168 hours for a week. ఇక్కడ మనం ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ డెవలప్ చేయడానికి here we required 168 hours time for week. So this 168 hours for a week is not a loading. This is just a shop floor. It means shop floor means which includes machine process, which includes machining times, loading and inspection. Those are all included. Those are all times are together we have 168 hours they mentioned. So from this 168 hours, according to this 168 hours, we are going to uh, plan the loading. How we are planning the loading means here we consider this 168 hours, as well as we consider the holidays on that week, as well as we consider some weekends, and we consider the service of the missions, and we consider the breakdowns. Those are all things we considered, and we consider the process times. Based on that, we are going to we are going to assign the loading, or we are going to assign the job to the mission in this 168 hours, within 168 hours. This is about loading. Next, coming to the scheduling, already we discussed about scheduling. Here scheduling is a process of arranging a production line of manufacturing the products on time effectively, without less use of time and optimum utilization of resources. Which means the resources means men, machine, and material. Here these are all we are effectively utilized by the help of scheduling. Here the scheduling helps to give the process times or operation times to that job. So next, coming to the example, here we considered a microelectronic manufacturing company, and here we are scheduling a plan before 1 year. Here we are. This is the advanced plan we prepared. Here we are taking the missions. We are arranging the missions for that component for that electronic manufacturing. Similarly, we are assigning or we are considering the manpower. How much manpower is required to that job also we considered, and also we consider the specific. We prepare the specific period to that job. Okay, these are the things these are the things we considered and we prepared the scheduling. Uh, Next, coming to the general difference about the routing, scheduling, and loading means, for example, if we take the project batches, the formation of the project batch is a routing we can consider. After forming that batch, the batchmates they divided the tasks by their capacity and by their capability. They are dividing the task individually. That is called as loading. And the scheduling means they fix the goal and they fix the time to complete their task. That is called as scheduling. Simple words. అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు షెడ్యూలింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి, రూటింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి, లోడింగ్ అంటే ఏంటో? ఇప్పుడు మనం మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ బ్యాచ్ ని తీసుకొని డిఫైన్ చేయొచ్చు దీని నుంచి. ఇప్పుడు మనం మీకు ప్రాజెక్ట్ బ్యాచెస్ అసైన్ చేసాం మేము, అంటే ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేసాం, దాన్ని రూటింగ్ అనుకుంటాం. ప్రాజెక్ట్ బ్యాచెస్ అసైన్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇన్ని డేస్ లో కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి అని ఫిక్స్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఓకే, ఆ టయాన్ని షెడ్యూలింగ్ అంటారు. తర్వాత లోడింగ్ వచ్చేసరికి ఈ షెడ్యూలింగ్ కోసం మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఆ టైంలో కంప్లీట్ చేయడం కోసం మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, టాస్క్ ని డిఫరెంట్ గా అసైన్ చేసుకుంటారు. బ్యాచ్ ఐ మీన్ టీమ్ వైజ్ ఆ టీమ్ మేట్స్ అన్ని ఇండివిజువల్ గా టాస్క్ డివైడ్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు దాన్ని లోడింగ్ అంటాం, సింపుల్ వర్డ్ లో. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ షెడ్యూలింగ్ అండ్ లోడింగ్. Loading means here the relationship which exists between load and capacity of work center is known as loading. మనం ఫస్ట్ ఏదైనా ఒక కాంపోనెంట్ ఒక ని ఒక మిషన్ కి అసైన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే 1 minute ఇక్కడ మనం ఒక జాబ్ ని ఒక మిషన్ కి అసైన్ చేస్తున్నాం లేదా ఒక మెన్ ని ఒక జాబ్ కి అసైన్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఆ రిలేషన్, ఆ జాబ్ కి మెన్ కి ఆ జాబ్ కి వర్క్ సెంటర్ ఉండే రిలేషన్ మనం లోడింగ్ అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ద షెడ్యూలింగ్. Scheduling deals with performing the operations for the product at the right time and determining the starting and completion time. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏంటి లోడింగ్ లో అసైన్మెంట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. అదే రూటింగ్ వచ్చేసరికి హియర్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ ద టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ప్రాసెస్. ఇక్కడ మనం అసైన్మెంట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. అసైన్మెంట్ జాబ్ కి మెన్ కి ఉండే రిలేషన్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఆ జాబ్ నా మెన్ ఏ టైంలో ఎంత టైంలో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు, ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాడు అనేది షెడ్యూలింగ్ లో వస్తుంది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్, లోడింగ్ ఇస్ కన్సర్న్ విత్ ఫిక్సింగ్ సఫిషియెంట్ కెపాసిటీ ఫర్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ప్లాన్ ఆర్ రిప్లేసింగ్ స్పేర్ కెపాసిటీ ఫర్ సమ్ అదర్ వర్క్స్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏంటి మనం వేర్ అసైనింగ్ ద మిషనరీ టు దట్ వర్క్ యాజ్ ఫర్ ద ప్రొడక్షన్ ప్లాన్. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి వీఆర్ గివింగ్ ద టాస్క్స్ టు దట్ or we are giving the time to the task completion within due date. That is called scheduling. Next, the loading deals with proper utilization of machines based on their capacity and to fulfill the task for a given production plan. And coming to the scheduling, here it is a difficulty task when compared to loading, as it focuses on capacity of plant, manpower, and equipment. Next, coming to that loading, here in this loading some allowances are there. Those are machine setup time, process adjustments, machine shutdowns, and weekends, holidays. Those are all we considered, and according to that consideration we are going to assign the task. But coming to that scheduling, here we are considering only the performance of that mission, as well as we considered only the due date. Based on the due date we complete the task, we prepare the schedules. While we are preparing the schedule in this loading means we considered all the factors which are influenced that process. Those are all factors we considered. Just we taken an example, that is 168 hours manufacturing time. While we are preparing the loading, or while we are preparing the loading for that 168 hours, means we consider some factors, that is holidays, weekends, service times. Those are all coming under this. Here we taken another example, that is the manufacturing company. The manufacturing company, we prepare the plan 1 year advance. Okay. Next, coming to the loading activities are used in scheduling, but scheduling activities are not used in loading. Scheduling ensures proper utilization of all the activities so that the operation is effective. Here, the scheduling totally defines to the sequence of that operation as well as the time of the operations. But coming to the loading means just simply we are assigning the task to that job or mission or work center. This is about fourth unit, that is routing. So far we discussed about routing and how the routing will differ with production system. We discussed and types of the routing, and we discussed about the route card, route sheets. We discussed scheduling. We discussed scheduling versus routing. We discussed loading. We discussed loading versus scheduling. We discussed. This is about the fourth unit.